Welcome to the video lecture on financial instruments and markets. In this chapter 8, we are going to continue the topic financial derivatives. The topics covered in this chapter are lower and upper bound limits, assigned writer, expiration date and premium, interest rate in the market, volume or depth in the market, economics of option writers. Lower and upper bound limits. Among the important properties of options, prices are that at any particular point of time, the volume of a call option or a put option cannot exceed a particular price. The upper bound is the maximum possible price for a call option or a put option at any point in time. Call options and put options have different upper bounds. In the case of a call option, in any circumstances, an option cannot be worth more than the stock price. The lower bound for a call option is the difference between the stock price and the discounted value of the strike price at the risk-free rate of interest. If the call price violates this rule, investors can arbitrage by buying the call option and selling the stock short. Option settlement by delivery. This gives the owner the right to receive delivery if it is a call or to make the delivery if it is a put of the underlying when the options is exercised. Settled options. This gives the owner the right to receive a cash payment based on the difference between a determined value of the underlying at the time of exercise and the fixed exercise price of the option. Nifty options shall be cash settled. Writer. Option writer who has been assigned an exercise is known as an assigned writer. Expiration date. It is the date on which the option expires. If an option has not been exercised prior to its expiration, it ceases to exist after the expiration date. That is, the option holder will no longer have any right and the option no value. Style of option. This refers to the time when or within which the option is exercisable. The two styles of options are American and European. Premium. The price an option holder pays and the writer of an option receives for the rights conveyed by the option. The premiums are not fixed by the exchange and are subject to fluctuations in response to market and economic forces. Current value of underlying. The derivative owes its existence on account of the original instrument or the underlying like security, share, forex, etc. Therefore, it is understandable that the derivative value depends on the exercise price. The derivative or option carries an exercise price. If the price is attractive to the investor, then obviously the option nearing closure date would attract higher market price due to current values of futures on the underlying. Valuable forex or shares having future quotes which are known as futures, the future quotes being very competitive would certainly influence the pricing of the option instruments too. Estimates of the future volatility. Volatility refers to time-to-time variation of price of the underlying instrument. Higher the rapidity of variation, including the range of variation, larger is the volatility. Higher volatility means higher uncertainty, and hence option pricing depends on future volatility. Historical volatility of the underlying. If underlying security has had a track or history of volatility, certainly future predictions would depend on the historical data and hence the dependence. Available information. Market gets information regarding performance of a company and hence the share or the performance of country, which gives an insight into the predictability of the security. Interest rates in the market. The investments depend on interest rates obtaining in the market, which serves as a benchmark of opportunity cost. Obviously, any determination of price of a derivative instrument has to depend on the current interest. Expiration residual period. The option has expiration period, the remaining period for expiry date of residual period. Closer the period, higher the volatility would make the option more interesting if the strike price is favorable. Therefore, pricing depends on this residual period too. Dividends payable for the security, if any. Shares carry dividends. If there is impending decision of dividend declaration with very high or low expectations compared to previous years, it would certainly affect the pricing decision of the option. However, this does not apply to forex derivatives. Volume or depth of market. If the underlying has good market, options do have scope. On the contrary, exotic securities without market are not suitable candidates for market making and their options do not have market. Therefore, depth of market is a determinant of option pricing. Economics of option writers. Option writers based on various underlying or securities and float in the market, but how do they make an economic benefit out of it is an interesting investigation. The following are the broad methods of their earnings. Studying the previous track and deciding right or correct option premium, or making use of actuarial evaluation. Market making, creating demand. Better portfolio management. Having a clear balance between call and put options. Trading of other companies' options. That is all for this chapter. Thank you.